Restless legs syndrome. What are the causes, symptoms, treatments, and natural remedies? Restless leg syndrome are also known as Willis at Worm disease. Now, it is a neurological condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It is characterized by an uncontrollable urge to move the legs. So, usually due to the uncomfortable sensations in the body. So, while the symptoms are generally worse at the night, they can severely affect daily life, sleep, and emotional well being. In this video today, we will explore what are the causes, how it manifests, the available treatment options, and the natural remedies that can provide a relief. Let's talk about first what is actually a restless leg syndrome. Restless leg syndrome is a sensory disorder that causes unpleasant sensations in the legs, coupled with an overwhelming urge to move them. Now, these sensations are often described as crawling, tingling, pulling, throbbing, itching, pins, and needles. Now, the discomfort usually worsens when a person is at rest, especially during the evening or night, and improves with movement. Because of this, RLS is often associated with sleep disturbances and fatigue. Let us now talk about what are the causes of restless leg syndrome. Understanding the underlying causes of restless leg syndrome is essential for effective management. The exact cause of it is not fully known, but several factors are commonly associated with it. Number one is the genetics. Research shows that RLS often runs in families, especially if symptoms appear before the age of 40. Now, the specific genes involved in brain function and dopamine regulation may be implicated. Number two is iron deficiency. Low iron levels in the brain are strongly linked to RLS. Iron is crucial for dopamine production, and any deficiency will lead to impaired muscle control. Three is the dopamine imbalance. Dopamine is a chemical that helps regulate the muscle movement. So, disruptions in dopamine pathways can lead to symptoms which are seen in RLS. Associated medical conditions. RLS can occur alongside other medical issues, now such as chronic kidney disease, diabetes, peripheral neuropathy, Parkinson's disease, pregnancy, especially during the third semester, though symptoms usually disappear after delivery. Number five is the medication. Certain medications may trigger or worsen the RLS symptoms, including antidepressants, antipsychotics, allergy medication, that is antihistamines. Let us now talk about what are the symptoms of restless leg syndrome. The hallmark symptom of RLS is to urge to move the legs. However, the symptoms can vary in intensity and frequency. The common signs are uncomfortable sensation deep within the legs, symptoms worsening during rest or inactivity, temporary relief through movement like walking, stretching, jiggling, and legs, symptoms worsening at night leading to sleep problems. Now, in severe cases, sensations may also occur in the arms. Now, if untreated, RLS can lead to sleep deprivation, daytime fatigue, irritability, and even depression also. Let us talk about what are the treatment options, that is the natural remedies and the lifestyle changes. Number one is iron-rich diet, that is incorporating red meat, poultry, spinach, lentils, fortified cereals, vitamin C rich foods like oranges help to improve the iron absorption. Magnesium and folate. Both magnesium and folate support muscle and nerve function. You can find them in nuts and seeds, bananas, avocados, dark leafy vegetables, or greens. Some people benefit from magnesium supplements, but it's best to discuss this with a doctor. Number three is the warm baths and massages. Take a warm bath before bedtime, help to relax your muscles. Gentle massage of the legs can also improve the circulation and relieve discomfort. Stretching and exercise. Regular moderate exercise such as walking, yoga, stretching routines improve your blood flow and reduce RLS symptoms. However, avoid vigorous exercise close to bedtime. Mindfulness, meditation, and relaxation. Practices like deep breathing, meditation, progressive muscle relaxation help reduce and manage RLS symptoms better, especially if anxiety or tension worsens them. Improving the sleep habits, sleep hygiene can make a significant difference. Now, for that, maintain a regular sleep schedule. Keep the bedroom dark, cool, and quiet. Avoid screens before bedtime. Limit caffeine and alcohol intake. So, the final thoughts here goes like restless syndrome can be frustrating, yes, and disruptive. But with the right combination of medical support, such as the medications that you can use is iron supplements. If blood tests show low ferritin iron stores, dopamine agonists, drugs like parapoxiol and ropinol can help for that. Anti-seizure medications can also be taken into that. But you have to always consult a healthcare provider before stating or starting any medication. So, if any of the combination arises, it can be effectively managed by following all of the above remedies that I provided to you. So this was all about today's video. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more such content in the future. Thanks for watching.